toy shop. We wrapped this with Icon Wraps. Scotty did the lights.
That's like the natural thing to do.